here for you.
1,200 grams. 3 canisters, each one containing 400 grams. This is to all my friends. So, without further ado, we are grooving on a Sunday afternoon. Grooving, couldn't push the button too soon.
That thing just exploded.
I gotta remember I have ignition compound packed a little tight around the pyrogenic heads.
Cool. That thing looks
Damn.
like a volcano. Smokeless, you say? It's fireless, huh? Holy.
Man, that's awesome.
Ooh.
Yeah, too cool because that thing
How's
might
that
melt.
going?
It might melt the ignition.
Yeah.
Did it get hit?
Nah, just a little bit of barring.
That looks like
Overkill, bud.
overkill.
I'm good at overkill though, Dad.
It's melting.
I'm gonna have to make a protective case for this. Either that or make the wires longer.
Definitely longer.
Yeah.
Please let it put out.
Well, it will.
Maybe we should get some water from the
Whoa.
creek.
I didn't put that in enough. That's why it's not. Okay.
Fire!
No shit. That is not even lethal. There's not even a single bit of gunpowder in there.
Nope. Potassium nitrate, powdered sugar, and white paraffin wax used as a binder.
Kick that thing butt.